There was a time when this company was worth over $11 billion. Its cameras were loved by athletes, vloggers, and even astronauts. But today, that same company lost nearly all its value. Its share price fell from 98 to below 1 now. What went so wrong? What mistakes destroyed this billion-dollar business, and what lessons does it hold for traders like us? Let's find out in this video. It's GoPro. Yes, we are talking about GoPro, the company behind those tiny, powerful cameras used in surfing, skydiving, racing, and even mountain climbing. GoPro once ruled the world of action cameras, but then everything has changed all of a sudden. Friends, GoPro was founded by Nick Woodman, a young guy who loved surfing. He went on a trip to Australia and noticed there was no good way to capture the cool surfing moments. So he got an idea in his mind. What if I build a camera just for action sports, especially waterproof? So he took $200,000 loan from his own parents and started building the first GoPro camera, all from his bedroom like this. Nick worked day and night for many days because he believed his idea is very good. So sales picked up. One day he got his first big order, 100 GoPro cameras. That moment was special for him. He said that it felt like the world believed in him. That small success gave him the courage to go all in. Very soon, GoPro cameras were everywhere, from bikes to helmets to snowboards, in bikes and in cars. People loved them for travel, vlogging, YouTube, and even for recording movies. In 2014, GoPro went public. On its first day of trading, the stock shot up like anything, and the company was valued at over $11 billion. So Nick Woodman became one of the youngest billionaires in America. Friends, but success didn't last long. GoPro started facing problems. Do you know why? Because they focused only on the cameras while mobile phones started catching up with good cameras. And competition from cheap Chinese brands grew fast. Later, they launched a drone called Karma, but it failed very badly in the market. They made cameras more complex and expensive, and they lost most of their regular customers. Losses piled up, and GoPro laid off thousands of its employees. Today, GoPro is still around, friends, but it's no longer the king it once was. Its market value is just a tiny fraction of what it used to be in the past. They now focus on loyal customers, software, and only on online sales. It is a story of passion, innovation, and the price of not adopting fast enough to the changing market condition. So friends, GoPro teaches us that even great ideas need constant evolution in the changing market condition. What are the lessons for traders like us from this story? So, lesson number 1, don't ignore the changing trends. Because GoPro failed to notice the shift in consumer behavior. Because mobile phones were replacing cameras and cheaper alternatives to GoPro were rising. Similarly, traders must watch the market environment, change in volatility, interest rates, news cycles, FII data, and everything. Because the strategy that worked last year may not work this year. So stay updated and stay flexible to fine tune your strategy. Lesson number 2. Protect the downside. Because GoPro was riding high at $98 per share at once, but it fell below $1 now. So one wrong move like their face drone hurt them very badly. In trading, you must always think, what's the worst thing that can happen? Risk management is not optional, friends. It is a must for survival. So focus less on how much you can earn and more on how much you can afford to lose, how to protect your capital. GoPro teaches us that even $1 billion ideas can fail when there is no evolution, no awareness and no protection. So as traders, we may not building companies, but we are making decisions that affect our trading capital every single day, right? Let's learn the lessons before we pay the price. Yep.